Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can see all the product of the week and our other videos that we're regularly posting at the moment. So this week's product of the week is a Vienna red lager by Festival. I know they say it's a red lager, it's more of actually an amber lager. Really nice, soft, easy drinking lager that's got nice toasty, sweet kind of toffee tones, a bit nutty, perhaps a bit woody as well, with quite a crisp bitterness, slightly dry as well to get that mouth watering. Really, really easy lager to make. Everything's in the box. And well, what are we putting it out at for? Well, unfortunately, these have got a short best before date. When I say short, it's June 2025, so it's not that short. We've still got a few months to be able to make it. But what we're going to do is we're going to put them out to you at half price. They're currently $29.99, so you can get them on the website for $14.99 using the code POTW. That one's somewhere around about there. Pop that in, POTW, pop this in your basket, and it'll automatically bring it down to half price. Now, I know we've only got a few of them in stock at the moment, but I've spoken to our suppliers who've got a few more of them at the short date price, and they've said if you pre-order them, then they'll allow us to have them at that same price as well. So, for your perspective, $14.99, order them on the website, and yeah, grab yourself an absolute bargain for a Vienna red lager by Festival. Nice, easy kit to make. Anyway, for now, happy brewing and enjoy making it. Cheers.